What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is a review of Skinit. They make skins for phones and tablets and computers and gaming consoles and like pretty much anything that you can think of. They have it there. They also have skins for licensed items like such as sporting teams and like Hello Kitty and Marvel and all kinds of stuff. So you really got to check out the website, see what they got. You can also do customized. So if there's a picture of like your baby or a picture you love or a design you love, you can upload it to the site and get a customized case or a customized skin or whatever you need and get it shipped out to you, again, for a reasonable price. The prices range from like 15 bucks, and then you get a case for like 20, and then some of the bigger skins for like the computers are like 35 bucks, but not too bad. They also do discounts all the time, so check out for discount codes. Again, Skinit. But anyways, let's talk about what I got. And I got 4 skins. I got one for a Pixel XL, which is going to be a case. I also got a case for my wife for her Pixel 2 XL. I got a skin for her MacBook Pro, and then I got a skin for myself for my Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, the case, my wife's case, and my wife's MacBook Pro, those are customized. We used a picture of our baby boy son, and they came out great. You can see it right here. I think it looks great. This is the first we'll look at it on the case, and the case itself is a very not a heavy duty case, but it's got some good protection for the case. You can see on the back, the picture looks great. You can see it on the edges. It came out great. I really don't have any thing that I would want to complain about it too much about it. Might be a little bit glossy for some people, but otherwise it looks great. It's not slippery in your hand. It's a really good quality printout of our picture that we uploaded, and it looks great on the case. And then the lips on the front of the case offer good protection. The case overall has good protection with the camera and just holding it in your hand. So I would definitely recommend, if you're thinking about getting a case from them, especially a customized case, or it could be a case that has a print on it already, definitely do it. I think you'll love it. The other customized item we got, it was for the MacBook Pro. It was a skin, and that also too came out great. It is glossy, so if you don't like glossy things, you might not like this. I didn't see any options for matte finish, but it is glossy. The print came out great. Installing it was really easy on all these products. I have videos showing the installation of these products, so if you need to watch that stuff, I'll link that down below. But overall, the MacBook Pro, I think, came out awesome. It just great. I had never used skins before, and I'm definitely impressed with the skins, especially the customized ones. Now let's talk about the case for the Pixel XL. This is the original Pixel XL. It is a Iron Man one, and I think it came out great. It's not a customized one. It's one that they had already on their site. It shipped out real quick. I think there is a little bit of difference between the customized things and the ones they already have prints for. The ones that are customized take a few days longer, maybe a week, or 3-4 days. It didn't take that much longer, but it was definitely a few days. But go back to this case, it looks great. It feels good in your hands. It's the same exact case you get on the Pixel 2 XL, the customized one, just with an Iron Man print, and it looks very professional. There's nothing wrong with it, and it offers great protection. And then lastly, let's talk about the skin I got for my Galaxy S9 Plus, and this is from Sanrio brand, and you can see, I don't even know what this guy is. I just know that when I picked it up, I thought it was kind of cool. It matched my phone. It was purple, and I was like, hell, I'll just get it. You know what else? I can't see anything else that I would put on the back here. And again, it came out great. Installing it super easy. The print on there is, again, very professional, slightly glossy. Putting on a case, if you want to put on a case on this afterwards, it does it keeps everything on there. It doesn't come off. So if you want to put a case on afterwards, because if you want more protection or whatever the reason, you definitely can. You're not going to lose any. The skin's not going to come off. That's what I'm getting at. And then also, just the skin in your hand, does it offer non-slip grip? Slightly. It offers, if you have a slippery phone and you add a skin, it is going to add some more grip to your hand. So what do I think overall of Skinit? I'm impressed. I think it's a great little thing to have. There's a lot of skin companies out there, and this is the first one I've used. And I would definitely, they hooked me up with this stuff for free, but if I had to order it again, I would definitely do it, especially the customized stuff. I'm more into the customized stuff. Being able to give this as a gift to a family member of my kid to my mom, or a picture of him on her computer or her her tablet or her phone, I think that's awesome gift, or to add, you know, all the grandkids on there. And I know a lot of companies do that, and I haven't used all the other companies. I'm just talking about Skinit, and like I said, I'm impressed with it. I think it came out really professional. It came out perfectly fine, and I would definitely recommend it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Let me know what you guys think of Skinit. If you've used it before, leave it in the comments down below what your feelings and thoughts are on it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace.